We're back with a video that I didn't think we'd be back with too soon. Well, I didn't think I was going to do a video on this, but if you saw the video of us at the NEC and our little haul, sorry dog growling in the background, you know we ordered a cover. And it got delivered today. In this bag, it's on the floor currently. So it's quite big. I knew it would be big. But that is the colour we went for. We went for black on the front, grey on the sides. I also had this delivered today, which is the click light, which, to be honest, I've really struggled in getting. I don't know why. They were at the show, but I'd already ordered it, so I didn't pick one up there. So yeah, come with us to the Caravan to fit this cover. What are the instructions?
Put it on.
That is not the instructions.
I don't know. We'll try it without instructions first. Because we've got to learn.
Trial and error.
It's quite heavy.
That's going to annoy me, innit?
What?
That's the link for the...
Well, you put
I
it
think
on.
you have to open them first.
Don't do anything on that side. I've got to slide it on this side first. It says with it fully attached. And it goes on better than the awning.
What do you mean? Do I have to put this side in?
No, not yet.
Oh, right.
You just hold it up on that side out of the way.
I don't need to hold it.
You can unzip that side. No, don't pull it over, unzip it.
God, I'm making a pig's ear of this. Do you want it off completely?
Yeah, we'll just unzip it until it reaches the bottom.
Remember, everything is a pain first time round.
What? Take that off.
Oh, you unzip that.
Yeah, what have you unzipped there?
I've unzipped the main body.
Oh. No, leave the main body on. You unzip that.
See? Trial and error.
No, well, I've just left you in charge of something. Now this bit.
I need to stop standing in front of the camera. You see me bum.
Gotta make sure I get this the right way round now. Zip that up.
Wow.
Now there should be some clips on the top.
They're in that bag. Let's see if the handles are back. Oh, look at that. I haven't been so fascinated by Caravan cover.
There's clips on the bottom. Where's the clips? They pull.
That's rather fancy.
So these clips in the pouches just go onto the body.
Oh, right.
Pain
That's
to
just
get
to
out
make it
there.
more tighter.
So clip there.
What, these?
In the pouches, they're elasticated. You just pull them out and then put them underneath and you'll find the edge of the body.
Guessing that's to stop it from flapping. Is there oh, there's some there too.
Yeah, so pull that down and then clip it onto the body. Oh, now it's dirty.
I was going to get dirty. And then do you need to get the Velcro thing at the bottom?
So that is this strap here. I think.
At least they didn't make us the 8-foot wide one. Because I messed up the order.
So there's not one already on it, is there?
No.
So this
Rather impressed with that.
should hopefully fit underneath. You've got to go over that,
What?
over the pole bit.
It's dangling.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
It says there's clips on the top, but
Clips on the top, but
Yeah.
where?
oh,
Where would it clip into?
it stops it doing that.
Oh. What's in this bag they've given us?
That's not what them pegs are for, is it?
I hope not.
It's not zipped all the way.
Yeah, that has a bit of concern, isn't it?
No, it's just, it does say on the. Let me have a look in a minute. I don't know what these are for.
I don't know. I don't know why. Hang it out to dry?
Where's my phone?
What's your verdict?
Okay.
Verdict.
What? 100 times better than what we had.
Where's the old one? It's going in the bin.
See how thick? You can see how thick the material is there. Look,
Yeah.
that's a good, nearly 10 mil thick of foam in there.
Very impressive. Just makes life a whole lot easier.
You like it because it looks pretty.
Yeah. It has to look pretty. Otherwise,
Just need,
it's just got to look pretty.
just need a clean Caravan to go with it. Huh?
Yeah, the Caravan needs to clean before we go away on Sunday.
At least I won't have those bits of material flipping around in front of
Yeah.
the light.
Remember, it was flickering over that light. So when we went away last time,
With our
the old
cover.
one would it'd have single strip.
It would come to here.
And then it'd flicker on the light. So when I was sat in the passenger, it was like flickering in the corner of my eye, and I was saying to him, it's so annoying. You take it off on your own.
So taking it off should
It's
be
not to
fairly
rain.
simple. Undo the bottom clips. undo the offside zip. Take the Velcro strap out. And thread the offside. Zip that back up so it doesn't get trashed. Tuck that away nice and neatly. Now, hopefully, unzip the offside for a bit of ease. And thread that side. Hold up.
So that's the Specialist cover on. Now we did get that at the NEC. I don't like to talk about the price of things, but people do ask. So that cover was £400 with the show discount, and then you pay £10 delivery fee. And to be fair, when did I order that cover? 2 weeks, so I had it in 2 weeks. Considering they handmade, it was really quick, wasn't it? So you'll see us putting it on again.
Still don't know what these are for.
Yeah, we don't know what them pegs are for, do we? I look like a right maddo because all the cupboards are open, but we leave them open when we're in storage. So yeah, hopefully you'll see us on Sunday, putting it on again, hitching up, ready to go away. So, and that week we're away for 8 days now because we changed it. We were supposed to go Monday, but we changed it to Sunday. So we think it's going to be a better day for us. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more.